Good evening, everyone. Glad to introduce ourselves to you. They are my friends. He is Harshankar. He is Harigordhan. He is Vikas. He is Vaishan. He is Vamsi. He is Gopi. And I am Yashwant. We are from grade 8.
Today we are going to do an activity. The activity name is Sri Soft Skills. I repeat it. The activity name is Sri Soft Skills. In this activity, selected the topic. The topic name is regular actions. Regular actions means nothing but simple present tense. Simple present tense is used for telling customs, traditions, universal facts, general truths, etc.
Do and does are the helping verbs, which we are using simple present tense.
Infinitive form of the verb is using for simple present tense.
Coming to positive sentence, if we have to form any positive sentence means we have to take a pronoun. For example, she. The positive sentence is she goes to school. Vamsi, can you please change this positive sentence into negative sentence?
Definitely, I can change this positive sentence into negative sentence. The sentence is, she doesn't go to school. I just added do, doesn't. Gopi, can you change this sentence into questioning form?
Yes, I can. If we need to change the negative sentence into questioning form, we have to change the place of the helping verb. Here we use helping verb as does. Does she goes to school?
Good evening to all. My name is Harigopal Reddy. I am from grade 8. SPT stands for simple present tense. We have three types of sentences: positive sentence, negative sentence, questioning form.
Good evening, everyone. Let me introduce myself to you. I am Sai from class 8. The subjects we use in simple present is I, we, you, they, she, he, it.
Good evening, everyone. May I introduce myself to you? I am Karthik from class 8. The helping verbs we use do, don't, doesn't, does.
Good evening to everyone. May I introduce myself to you? I am Teja from class 8. Do I walk in SVKP is questioning form. Do is helping verb. I and walk is subject and verb. In the SVKP is object.
Good evening to all. Let me introduce myself to you. I am P. Jagan from class 8. Do I play cricket every day? Do is an helping verb. I play is an main verb. Cricket is an object.
Good evening to all. I am Nadeem from class 8. He doesn't play cricket in that. He is an object. Doesn't is an negative verb. Play cricket is an object.
Good evening to all. I am Jay Prashant from grade 8. Here, she goes to school. She is pronoun. Goes is verb. To school is object.
Thank you for being a wonderful audience. We hope that you have learned something from our presentation.